Consider this the closest thing we're getting to an apology letter from Nvidia. Because you know how the RTX 4060 Ti is a total flop? Because if you didn't know, the RTX 4060 Ti was a total flop, with a lot of the hate being directed at having a mere 8 gigabytes of VRAM. So it looks like Nvidia are fixing the problem in the most Nvidia way possible by releasing a 16 gigabyte variant of the RTX 4060 Ti. However, this launch is already so unorganized and chaotic you'd think it's being organized by AMD, because already there's clearly very little interest in this unit, with there being no Founders Edition card, and Nvidia isn't even organizing a review program for this launch. So for once, I can't even get mad at them for not sending me one if they're not sending them out to anyone, and it looks like third parties aren't really interested in promoting it either. And honestly, who can blame them, because this card will end up costing you $100 more than the base RTX 4060 Ti, all while all the other specs are pretty much the same, including the mere 128-bit bus on the card. So yeah, it's pretty much just utter chaos, and let's be honest, most of us are enjoying it. And while all of that is happening, the card is supposed to be launching in 3 days time. I don't have my watch on, so I don't know why I did that. So the alleged launch on the 18th of July is pretty much as bad as a paper launch can get, with some partners not even knowing when these cards will become available. But let me know what you think of this entire circus down in the comments below. Do you think that Nvidia is just so incompetent they can't get this thing out? Or do you think that the partners are just had enough and are not even interested in this product either? Let me know what you think down in the comments below. And while you're down there, maybe also check out our Patreon, because in a single $1 a month truly goes a long way. Well, you get awesome perks as well. Plus, huge thanks to my existing patrons: Kevin Burns, LKB, Justin Rage, Elevroniak, Badaj Velka, Maxim, Shane Ulgroft, Lansby, and Level Up. But anyway, that's what it's. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all whatever I make next. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.